special news breaking here at Donley Florida Gallery. On Saturday, June 15th, yes, Saturday, June 15th, we will be hosting some successful adopted dogs from the Humane Society in Crawford County. That's right. It's going to be fun. You should come out and check it out. Come and meet these success stories and grab some delicious tacos from Chip Off the Old Guac. And then head on down to the shelter and find your very own furry friend. And for every dog that is adopted, you get a $25 gift card to go shopping with them. And for every car that we sell here at Donley, we will donate $25 to the local shelter. So come and see us here at Donley. Check out the dogs and discover the Donley difference.